Now, open up your book and try to read the story Naima Learns a Lesson by yourself, or if you have any difficulty, you may ask someone in your family to help. This story starts from page number 26 and ends on page number 28. So, once you are done with reading the story, let's come to the moral. Moral means that the lesson we have learned from the story. So, the story that you just read, the moral of that story is if we lie all the time, no one will believe us, even if we tell the truth. Now, let's do an activity. What did you learn from this story? Write it down in your own words on a loose sheet